Papa. Let's go to the market.
But why?
We need to get some printouts.
Printouts? Yesterday only we got lots of printout. Now again?
हाँ पापा, क्या करें, इसके स्कूल वाले डेली नए नए असाइनमेंट्स दे देते हैं और हमें रोज रोज इसके लिए नए प्रिंटआउट्स निकलवाने जाना पड़ता है। हम ना बिल्कुल परेशान हो चुके हैं।
Oh, but do you know it's quite a hassle to get the printouts and it's very costly also. They charge 5 to 10 rupees for a black and white printout, and if you want the color printout, they ask for 50 rupees. Anyways, to avoid this cost and hassles, I finally decided to buy all-in-one HP printer, which is affordable as well as the print cost is very low, up to 50 paise per page.
Let's unbox it.
Cut the tape. Pull this box outside and see what's in it. Let's open it. Here are the ink bottles, power cord, USB wire, and finally we have black and tricolor print heads. Then we have our printer. Let's pull it outside. Here comes the printer. Remove thermocol packaging. This is the user manual. Here is the first look. This looks amazing. It has a unique tray. This is the scanner, which looks pretty cool in orange. Here are the buttons. We have power, resume, cancel, information, ID copy, color copy and black and white copy buttons. Here you can see the ink levels. On the back side, we have one power port and a USB port. So here is the final overall look. I did not expect it to be so big. Want to get this? Buy link in the description.